Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the swipe reply is not working on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if the swipe reply feature is not working on Instagram, there could be several reasons behind it. Number one is sometimes temporary glitches or bugs within the Instagram app can cause features like swipe reply to malfunction. Closing and reopening the app or restarting your device might resolve the issue. Now, the next thing that you can do is, now if you are an Android user, I need you to go to the app management, go to app list, and of course search for Instagram. Once you are here, make sure that check your app settings to ensure that the swipe reply feature is enabled. Alright, and look for options related to messaging or direct messages to ensure that the swipe reply is turned on. Now, from here, you might want to go to storage and cache, because clearing the cache app might help resolve the issue. Just clear the storage, clear cache and user data, but when you do delete the user data, you will be logged out of your account. All right, and then after that, go to your Play Store and make sure you have downloaded the Instagram most recent updates. All right, if you see the pending updates, just click on it to make sure that you have installed the most updated Instagram app. All right, and from here, you might want to try to reinstall the newest app, because as I've told you earlier, the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device fixes the bug and performance improvements that can address issues with features like swipe reply. If none of the above steps work, I need you to go to your profile and go to the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy, and from here go to the help. All right, click on report a problem, and from here let them know that the issue still persists. All right, and again, by putting your inputs here, and the team will investigate these potential reasons and the corresponding troubleshooting steps that they could address the issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.